What's up guys, welcome to our channel Radio Rocks Official. So first of all, this is an Android device, and in this video we are going to show you how you can download movies in your Android device using MediaBox application. So the movie which you want to download can be in any desirable language, most probably like Hindi, English, Telugu or Tamil or any other language which you want to watch the movie in. So first of all, if you're an iOS user by any chance, we had uploaded a similar video on the same topic last year whose link is there in the description below, so you can just check it out. So first of all, this application called MediaBox or MediaBox HD is not available on the Play Store. So let me just prove it to you. So after you open Play Store and type in MediaBox, you would be redirected to a many options of apps to download, but there would be no MediaBox. Yes, there are two options of MediaBox, Free Movie MediaBox and this thing MediaBox, but these two are not the apps we are concerned with. So definitely, if it is not available on the Play Store or App Store, you need to go to your browser or Google. Now basically you need to search MediaBox app as you can see on the screen, and then you need to just scroll down and until you reach something called mediabox.buzz, and then you need to click on the link. Link is there in the description below, you can just check it out. So now you need to actually you can do this on your own, but then also you need to click on MediaBox HD and then scroll down and click on download. It's pretty simple, and then you need to scroll down and click on MediaBox HD APK. APK means Android. Okay, so then actually I had already downloaded it, the file I had already downloaded, so it's showing me this thing, but then you need to click on download. So then you need to click on details. As you can see, my file is already downloaded, but still I would go with the second one for the safer side in order to demonstrate it to you. So meet you after the download is over. So guys, the download is over. Actually I'm using the previously downloaded one, but I had re-downloaded it. So anyways, you need to click on it, and then it would start the downloading procedure. Now click on install. Oh, sorry. By mistake I clicked on the cancel button. So it will install on its own. It will take time according to the Wi-Fi connection which you have. So it has been installed, and now I'll click on open. And yes, I got the MediaBox application. So basically it's just updating itself. Maybe it may or it may not update in your case. So me too after the update is over. So guys, after the update is over, or rather after the download is over, the application will be opened on its own after you click on open. So anyways, so as you can see, it has been opened now. Say for example, in this case, in this video I want to download Avengers Endgame. So I'm going to take the same example. So like I'm just going to search Avengers Endgame, and yes, I got it. I got my Avengers Endgame, and now I'm just going to download it. Now how to download? If you want to watch it online, then this option is for you, of watching online. And if you want to download it, then this option is for you. So I'll just click on download. So just allow it. So as you can see, MBox, basically these are the streams on which MediaBox may work. So if all the streams appear to be broken, then you need to wait for some time, or you need to change your Wi-Fi connection, because these streams depend on your location as well as your Wi-Fi connection. If not location, then your Wi-Fi connection. So anyways, I'll just click on these. I'll just select this link or this stream. So just download it. Okay, now I'll tell you the reason why it told me it is not recommended. So basically it told me it's not because it may install viruses. No, that's not the case. The thing is that if I use this thing, which MBox MP3U, whatever it was, so if I use it, then I won't be able to save these the downloaded movie on my camera roll. Now you must be wondering, how can I save any downloaded movie on my camera roll? So this thing I would be demonstrating you later on in other videos if I upload the same video on the same topic, if I get a lot of views on this video. So first of all, let me just tell you one precaution which you need to maintain while downloading. With this thing I had also told you in my iOS 1 video. So basically what you need to do is you need to keep it in your multitasking screen, okay? You don't have to remove it from the multitasking screen. If you remove it, then just think that your download has stopped. So that's the only precaution which you need to take. And friends, that's all for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and share us your opinion about about your doubts or any other topic which you want us to make video on. So that's it for today, friends.